Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited as I am releasing the brand new Christmas card classes series. Now, if you know me, you know that every year I do a Christmas card series that we always release in July, and this year is no exception. So we're going to be releasing a class every month for the next 5 months, and these are Stamp Stack classes. Now, if you're new to Stamp Stacks means that you're going to be making multiples of the same card so that you get more cards from the class. So in this case, it's going to be 3 cards of each of the different 4 designs, so you're going to end up with 12 cards total. Now, if you take all the classes that I release in this card class series, you're going to have 60 cards ready for you to go during the holidays. Like I said, it's going to be released between July and November, so hopefully by beginning December, you're going to be all ready to go and start addressing all your Christmas cards. Now, I do this in an effort to help you to get ready with the holidays, because believe it or not, I know it's July, but the holidays are going to be here before we know it. And I love designing card classes, and I have gotten a lot of feedback about how you love that I designed the cards and you just get to make them without any stress. So this is, like I said, a way to help you get ready without the hassle and the stress of what you're going to be making. You just let it to me to design the cards, and you just go forward and make them and enjoy every month a kit so that you can get ready for the holidays. So anyway, so this month I am featuring brand new product. This is called the Greenery card class, which is brand new product from the online exclusive. I do have 2 options. So option 1 is the one that includes all the product except for the bundles. You do have to purchase the bundles, but don't worry, I will have an option in the registration form where you can add on the bundles, and I'll show you them here in a second. But let me just tell you what the kit includes so that you know what you're getting. So for the option with the make and take, you get, of course, the make and take to get all 12 cards. I would have already cut all the cardstock pretty much, except for the ones included from the bundles, and of course I cannot send any stamp images. Okay, you're gonna be getting on this option 2 of the brand new designer series paper. So let me tell you, you get the Graceful, is that right? Graceful Greenery vellum, which is this one, and there are 3 different designs. There's one that is all white. It has let me just show it to you. It has white on white, if you will. Like, it's just vellum with white, and it just adds some texture, if you will. So you can see it here. Really beautiful. And then the other 2 designs I'll show you here has the Greenery. Now, all of these pieces can be die cut with the dies from one of the bundles, from the, what is this, the Golden Greenery bundle. So all of the elements you can die cut. Now, I wanted to use them more as a background. I felt like they look really cool like so, and they add a lot to the cards. But of course, you're going to have some leftover, and you can die cut some pieces that you can use for other cards. So anyways, you're going to be getting half a pack from this one, and also you're going to be getting a half a pack of the Season of Green and Gold, which is this one. This one is a great paper. It has some gold foil on it, which I love it. This particular one, you're gonna see it's similar. It's the same type of element, so you're gonna be able to die cut everything on this one. And in fact, I have already die cut pretty much 1 full sheet, just because I love having these elements ready to go for me to create more cards later on. So I have gone ahead and cut out all the pieces, and you can see, like I said, these are the same size, so you can die cut these ones as well from the vellum, just so that you know it will cut out those pieces. So no fussy cutting required. You just get the bundle, and you can die cut the vellum as well as this designer series paper, or this sheet. There's also, let me show you the other elements, or the other designs. So here's another one. Like I said, I love that there's a lot of gold foil. It's very elegant paper, and you can see this is one of my favorite sheets. I think that is a really nice. Here's another one. You have this one with like diamond shape gold foil on, very vanilla. You have this one. Look at that one. The gold foil looks amazing. And then you have Old Olive with Mossy Meadow. Here's another one. You have a little bit of the same kind of greenery. And then you have this one that it kind of looks like one of the designer series papers that we have last year with the nativity set, so it's kind of like the same. It has like the stars on those. Again, gold foil on Very Vanilla, and then you have this one. Look at this one, all the greenery with the gold foil, and then on the back you have Very Vanilla with polka dot in Mostly Made Up. So again, you're gonna be getting half a pack of each of the different designer series papers. You're also gonna be getting a full pack, sorry, of the neutral sequence, as you can see here, and then you're also going to be getting a full spool of the black and Very Vanilla large check ribbon. So you can see it here. This one goes beautifully with this suite, as you can see. Now this option, as you can see it like so, it's it's 57 plus 9. Like I said, you get 2 of the designer series paper, or half a pack of each of the designer series papers. You get the sequins, the ribbon, and a pack to make 12 cards. Plus you get a PDF with the instructions. Actually, it's like the measurements, the pictures, and then video tutorials. I love doing video tutorials because I can show you how to make the cards and give you more tips on how to assemble the card. So that's why I do it. And in fact, this card class have 3 out of the 4 designs, 3 of them are foam folds. So I think it's easier for me to show you how to put the foam folds together on the video, because then you can get the visual. Anyway, you're gonna see also the pictures so you can follow along. You're gonna see all of them are super easy to make. Now, like I said, this option is $57 plus $9 shipping, and there's going to be a registration link. So for the registration link, you have to be on my mailing list, or you can either email me at ali@creatingwithali.com, or you can put a comment here on the comments, whether we are on Facebook or on YouTube, so that you request the link and I'll send it to you. Like I said, that's the only way to get that. Alright, so be on my mailing list. If you go below on the description in YouTube, there is like sign up or stay in touch with Ali, and you'll see the link so that you can get on my mailing list. Okay, so that's that. As I said, these to make the cards, this class features 2 bundles because it's a brand new product from the online exclusives. One of them is the Golden Greenery. As you can see, we're using some of the images on the cards for this stamp stack from this set. So you definitely want to have those, the dies and the stamp set, right? You can see here, this one has the dies that cut out the images from the stamp set, and then some standalone dies that you can use, right? To accent your cards. So again, this is Golden Greenery bundle, and then you have also the greetings of the season, which are amazing. And I actually love this sentiment a lot, that make your holiday season be filled with warm and cheerful celebration. I think that this one for the inside of your card is just amazing. It's a large one. You're gonna see me use this one in a card because you know that I don't like writing too much, and so I thought this is a good sentiment that could go in the inside, so I don't have to be writing too much. But anyway, so this one is the greetings of the season, and as you're gonna see, some of the labels from this class are using this bundle, which are actually tags. So not only can you do the cards from our card class, but you can also make beautiful tags with all the pieces that you're gonna have left over from the card class. So anyway, like I said, if you don't have these already, these are brand new products from our online exclusives. If you don't have them, you can you will have an option on the registration link to add them to your kit. You just fill out the form and let me know that you want them. All right, so that's that. So anyway, so that's option to do the make and takes, and again, you'll get everything. Now the other option that I have is for those of you who already have the paper, the ribbon, the sequence, and you just want the instructions. I do sell all my tutorials on my store, so you can go ahead and check it out at creatingwithali.com/shop, and I'll put here a link to the tutorial shop. So this is good if you're a demonstrator and you already have everything, or if you are not in the US, because I can only mail the kits in the US. So if you're outside of the US, you can get a tutorial so that you can make the cards. You can learn how to make all the phone folds. And again, you can go at creatingwithali.com/card club. The tutorials are $15 at my store, so you can go ahead and check it out. Once you purchase the tutorial, you get a link to download it on your email, and even as you register, I believe there's also like an immediate link that you can go ahead and download it. But if not, you're gonna have it on your email. All right, and again, you can always email me at ali@creatingwithali.com if there's any questions. But like I said, I feel like you're gonna love joining me for the Stamp a Stack Christmas card series being released now, and I think you're gonna love having all 5 of them, because again, at the end of the whole series, you're gonna have 60 cards ready to go for the holidays. So anyway, so thank you so much. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.